Welcome back to Data Analyst Lab. This is our 8th project where we will work on a sales store analysis using a real world retail dataset. In this project, we will analyze sales performance, identify top selling products, understand customer behavior, and find trends, and that helps a business increase revenue. I will explain complete analysis step by step, exactly how a data analyst works in a real company. This project is part of the Data Analyst Lab series where we solve real business problems using data in a simple and practical way. Okay, this is the KPI queries and EDA questions. First, we start KPI queries. Now, let's move to one of the most important parts of this project, KPIs, or key performance indicators. This KPI will help us understand sale performance, profitability, pricing impact, and business risk. I will explain each KPI one by one, along with why it matters for business decisions. Okay. First, open your Power BI desktop and import the data from Excel. Load the data. My data was totally clean, so I clicked load option. Here is the data. First KPI, total sales overall revenue generation. The first KPI is total sales, which represent the overall revenue generated by the store. This KPI gives us a high level view of how to business is performing in terms of revenue. If total sales are growing, it means demand is strong. If not, the business may need better marketing or product strategy. Main business thing, growth and demand indicator. Let's first DAX measure. Measure name total sales. Sum I create the total sales, sum sales value. Let visual go to the visualization. Uh, Choose the card option. Drag it. Fills total sales. Here is total sales 2.30 million. Next, total profit, actual earning after cost. Profit tells us how much money the business actually earns after the subtracting cost. A business can have high sales but low profit, so this KPI is critical to measure real business success. Main meaning is financial health. Let's first copy. Here is the same measure. Once again, we create new measure. Measure name total profit. Same sum times profit value. Put in and right click. Here is the total profit. Now you see total profit is 286.40 K. This is the total profit value. Point number 3, profit margin, profitability and efficiency. Third KPI is profit margin, which shows how efficiency the business converts sales into profit. It helps answer the question for every unit of sale, how much profit are we making. A low profit margin may indicate high cost or aggressive discounting. Main meaning is efficiency and sustainability. So let's uh, again copy, create new measure, name it profit margin percentage. Formula is divide total profit, total sales, zero, and is comment cancel. Here's the profit margin. Here profit margin we see 0.12 percentage. Here is the round figure 12.47 percentage. Next KPI, average discount, pricing impact on margins. Now let's look at average discount. This KPI helps us understand how discounts are affecting sales and profitability. While discount can increase sales volume, too much discounting can reduce profit margins. Main meaning pricing strategy impact. What is the pricing strategy impact on sales order, sales value? Once again, it copy and paste. Create a measure name, total orders. It's a distinct count. We take a distinct count. So order ID column, select, click. It's the total order. Total order 5009 is the total order. We find the total order value. Fifth, loss order percentage, risk and revenue leakage. This is very important KPI, loss order percentage. It shows the percentage of orders where the business is making a loss instead of profit. High loss order percentage indicates pricing, cost, or discount issue that need immediate attention. Now we create once again its copy and paste it. Loss order percent, risk and revenue leakage. We create a measure. First we create column, measure value, loss order. Calculate value, count, order ID, sales profit less than 0. Once again, create measure loss order percentage. Loss orders, total orders, here is the value we found. 37.35% is loss order. Sales per order. Next point is sales per order, and this is the customer value. Now, once again, it copy and paste. We create new measure column, name sales per order, divide total sales total profit, sorry, uh, total orders. Here it's here is sales per orders 458.61. Profit per order, last KPI is profit per order and water quality. It means this is the final KPI is profit per order. While sales per order shows revenue, profit per order tells us the quality of each other. Higher profit per order means that business is not just selling more, but selling smart. It means order quality and obviously efficiency. Now once again it copy and paste. Create new measure. Name it profit per orders. Total profit and total orders. Drag it 57.18. Profit per orders. That's it. We found all KPIs successfully. Next point is EDA analysis and find out the EDA analyzed and KPIs. Our next step is EDA. Now that we have analyzed the KPI, the next step is exploratory data analysis or EDA. First question: which regions generate the highest sales and profit? First, let's analyze which region generate the highest sales and profit. This helps identify high performance regions and regions that need improvement. Business can use this insight to optimize regional marketing and logistics strategy. Main focus is regional performance. First, we create a measure: total sales and total profit. We are already create this measure: total profit and total sales. Now we go to the build Power BI visualization. Select a column chart. Main thing is compare region side by side, and region with highest bar, top performing value, and something high sales and high profit. Important. It is the important point. We take region and drag it x-axis and values total sales and total profit. Better we take clustered column chart. It is better view. Now we see east, west, central, and south region, total sales and total profit. Now we turn on the data levels, exact value. We find out. We found the value, the total sales and total profit by regions, and which regions generate the high sales and profit. Here it is. Next, how to discounts affect profitability. We will analyze how discount impact profitability. Discounts can increase sales volume, but excessive discounts can reduce profit or even cause losses. This analysis helps find the right balance between sales growth and profitability. This is main thing is pricing strategy we build up. We created a calculated column. We find out discount bands: no discount, low discount, medium discount, high discount. Column name: here I use switch case. We found out discount column. Here is 0, means no discount. Sorry. Once again, a column discount is less than value point 0.2 is low discount. Is called name given name medium discount. And last, high discount. We create normal column chart. Take x-axis and drag it discount band and total profit. We drag y-axis and drop it. Now we see no discount. We turn on data labels. No discount is plus profit margin, but high discount is negative value. We see. Our next point is which product category are most profitable. This helps mainly focus on high margin products and rethink strategies for low performing categories. Now let's check which product category are most profitable. Main thing is main focus product optimization. We take a stack bar chart. Here is category column and drag y-axis and values is total profit. Drag it and put x-axis. Here turn on data labels. Here we see technology 0.15 millions, office supplies 0.12 million, and furniture 0.02 million. And now, what shipping mode is used most frequently? We will analyze shipping modes to understand which delivery option is used most frequently. This insight helps in logistic planning and cost optimization. Main thing is operations and logistics. First of all, it create a new measure. Orders count, name it, count, It is order ID. We take donut chart for visualization. Best visualization is present donut chart. Order count. Order count and ship modes. We take ship mode and drag and drop it legend. Here is we see standard class 59.72 percentage and total value 6K. Second class, first class, same day. Next, which customer segment contributes the most revenue? This helps mainly businesses target high value customers and design better marketing strategy. Our main focus is customer segmentation. We take a column chart, find out the segment part. Here is drag it x-axis and take sales total sales value, drag it and and put it y-axis. Here is go to the visualization format for a visual and turn on the data levels. Last EDA are higher sales always associated with higher profit. Finally, we will analyze where the higher sales always result in higher profit. This helps identify cases where high sales may still lead to losses due to high cost or discount. Mm, Business focus is sales versus profitability relationship. For better visual, we take a scatter chart. For x-axis, we take total sales. Y-axis total profit and details order ID or product name. And legend for legend category or segment. Main points is below zero profit equals to loss making sales, and it clearly proves that totals higher sales always associated with higher profit. more better visualizations, we take line chart, but not a to clearly find out. It's obviously scatter chart is visuals is clearly we find higher sales always result in higher profit. Together, these EDA questions help us uncover patterns, risks, and opportunities that are not visible from KPI alone. Now, let's answer these questions totally fulfill and data visualization. First, we will change the callout value of each KPI card as well as the font and color of the category level one by one. Cell, we go visualization, callout value, size decrease is better, callout value and look much better. Text for better visualization. This one is better. First total sales KPI card, you color, change the color. We want or one more color. Right. This look is better. profit by region, x-axis region and y-axis sales and total profit, color change, then y-axis value, y-axis value change the person. Grid line horizontal is off, data value black color is must legend center text and x-axis and title value and first chart we of the background, any background, chart same as it is, black color, title of y-axis, title of value is much black, display unit thousands, grid line horizontal of value is much black, it's look better, effects background of title 15 is much, and title color is just like copy and paste chart. Price rotation we do we don't need any legend. so much better. Same use format enter and copy paste. Same use total says grid line vertically up. Total sales and total profit. One by one. Supplies. This must look better. As it is thin. For better visualization, I will add some icons and images. We go insert tab, image, style, image. We add shape and go to style, add text option, border off, and store sales order analysis dashboard. This fill color off and font color bold. Then we add images and special for better visualization. We add some icons. One by one, we add the icons every virtue. Then we copy paste. Then select image, change the icon. Again we copy and select, double click, select style, image. Again copy and then go to the image. Again paste, select image option, again we copy, select image, here it is. Slideshow. Some actual segment or country or city or state, anyone choose any option for sizing and dynamic visualization. How many state are here? New York State. I choose for go to the visualization and data pane, state option select and go to the filter and value here. Button layout, read, not read, where article, buttons, okay, round rectangle, You don't need any background. State-wise search. When we go to color value, horizontal alignment is center. And button color, we add is border color. Illinois, Indiana, Maryland, one by one we choose Oklahoma. We go through detailed view this dynamic chart. Okay, that's it. This is the output of store sales order analysis dashboard. Hope you like enjoy this dashboard.